Good morning, third grade. I'm so happy that you decided to join me in class today. Today's Thursday, May 14th, 2020, and today we're going to be talking about making inferences as well as text features. So we know that in order to make an inference, you need two things. You need information from the text plus background knowledge. And when you put those things together, they help you to make an inference. And to infer something or to make an inference means to figure out something about the text that the author did not tell you. You're using evidence from the text plus what you already know about what you're reading. And you're reading between the lines. So some possible sentence stems that you can use or think about as you're reading to help you make a good inference is this could mean, I infer, perhaps it could be that, I can conclude that, my guess is, maybe, I think, and I know that. So good readers, writers, and thinkers are able to make inferences about the things that they read as they are reading it to make text connections. Okay, and then when we talk about text features, we know that text features present important parts of the text in a different way. So things like boldface or italic type, headings, sidebars, captions, bullets or numbered lists, and it even has, I would even say a photograph. It's not listed, but a photograph is also a part of text features. And we know that the author includes text features, one, to help you to understand what genre of text you're reading. So text features, so when you see text features, you'll know that this is a informational or nonfiction text. And also, the author includes text features to help you better understand the author's purpose or um, what what message the author is trying to give to you. So when we look at our article for this week, the text features that we see listed are um, or presented are our title. We have a photograph here. We have a caption, which is underneath our photograph. We know that the caption gives the photograph gives us more information about what's happening in the photograph. We also have subheadings. The first subheading says the special sound of their name. So we know that a subheading is the main idea of the section. I know that this is a subheading because it's in bold words and it almost looks like a small title. And then we see the oh, you can't see my hand, but we see the paragraphs or the section following after it. And then as we continue to read, we see another subheading with bold words, cats react to their names. So that is going to give us the main idea of that section. So we can use subheadings to help us to make a good inference about what that section is going to be about based on the title of the subheading. So, for instance, our last subheading says they are learning from it. So, they are learning from it. I can make an inference that this section is going to be about what cats might be learning, um, based on if they can understand the words or commands that we people give them. All right. So, with that being said, for your work today, I've included the anchor charts. You're going to go straight to your Google form. I've included the anchor charts. And your first question says, think about how scientists say cats react when they hear their own name or common phrases. What can you infer about the photo and what the cat just heard? So when we look at this photograph, we know that we're making an inference. We're thinking about what we just read or even what we see in the photo, and we're pairing that with what we already know. So, what I know about cats right now, this cat looks like he might be angry or he's ready to bite because he has his mouth open and he looks vicious. So, I'm going to write my inference here. Um, and then for the second question, you're going to create a caption for your photograph.